Welcome to Chris Farms and Extension Services alias Chris Farm Nigeria. Today we are bringing you to our site reporting. But you should know, or you should, in case you are just pumping into our YouTube channel, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching us on this YouTube channel. We are into farm setup. We build farms, poultry farms, greenhouses for snails, pig farms, fish ponds, any kind of livestock setup. That is what we do. We do the A to Z in the sense that we start from the foundation, we do the building, we set up the machines like the manure scraper, the manure dryer. We talk about feed mill machine, feed mill formulation, or setup of farms or feed mill, any kind of agro farm setup that you want to do. That is what we specialize on doing. So today we are bringing you to a project that we are already running, that is ongoing, and we are reporting to the client. One of the things we do is whenever we are doing a job, we make the client to be at the same page with us. For instance, you give us a job to do. As we are doing the job for you, we'll be giving you daily reports on what is going on the farm. So today we are bringing you to a site we're working. We want to give a daily report of what we've done to the client, and we calling the client's name or the location. We don't do that because our client security is paramount to us. We want them to be secured, so we just mention what we are doing, give the report of what is on ground so that the client will be at the same place with us. This is a 3,000 poultry farm setup. We did the foundation, the roofing, and the foundation, everything, German floor, everything, A to Z was sent to him. So if you are in Nigeria, you are in your office, you are in the marketplace, you are at home, you are not in Nigeria, irrespective of where you are, the world is not on the global palm, that whatever is going on in whatever you give or a delegation you give to someone to do, as the person is doing, he has that propensity to report to you so that you will know what is going on in your farm or what is going on in your whatever you assignment or delegation you are giving to the person to do. You can be at the same page with him using the internet service. You can use your YouTube whenever you are done with the work. You send to the client so that he will understand this is what his work is, this is the level it is. So that is what we do in Chris Farms and Extension Services alias Chris Farm Nigeria. We are also into a machine installation, battery cage installation, and different things. In fact, we did the A to Z about livestock setup. We also have branches of plantation and different things. But today we are bringing you to a live reporting of a poultry house we are building for a client, and this is for 3,000 capacity. And today we are bringing about a little adjustment for the poultry house. Now, this is the poultry house. We are building it in the format that the person can easily pack the dungs from the place. But today, we want to put a little adjustment to the work so that the person will see what we are doing. So today, we are bringing a little adjustment to the work. Now, when the dung is coming down from this side, okay, let me use this as a basis. If you are building a poultry house and you are doing the pit, from the starting of the pit down to this place must be slopy, so that when your manure scraper is scraping the dungs, it can easily scrape the dung from the higher frequency down to the lower frequency. If you want to pack it, you are packing it from there, it will be easy. And when you want to wash it with water, the water will flush easily all the way from that side to slope down to the pit. Either you are using manual hand to do that, either you are using a manure scraper to do that. Let the pit be a little bit slopy. If you look at this pit now, you see that that place is high. As it's coming down to this place, is sloping down. From there, is sloping down to this place. Now, this place is designed so that if you want to use a manual, because you want to use it, you want to do it manually, you can do it manually. Although it will be stressful, you will be needing a manual scraper, but the owner doesn't want a manual scraper for the now. But should in case a time comes to do that, it will be easy. So I'm designing this poultry house in the format that you can use your normal manual method to remove the dungs, But when the time comes, you want to change your mind to use your mechanical method to remove the dungs, it will be easy. So that is why this adjustment is being done here. Now, when the pit is coming down from this place, it gets to this place, it goes into a gutter. So there is an adjustment here now. This it flows from that place down to this gutter here. We are going to be putting block here. You can see this block now. We'll be putting fresh block in this place to get a gutter that will flow down in an L shape that will flush out from here. And we're still going to put an extra block here outside because this place actually will be closed up. Then if here is closed up, then the dung flows through this pit out from this place to your sockaway or to wherever you want to put it. But actually, it ought to flow out to the sockaway if you are using the flow through system, using a manure scraper to scrape it down. But for the now, the person will want it manual. But when he's tired of doing the manual pattern, he wants to change to automated or this mechanical method, it will not be stressful for him. So when we are designing a poultry house, we design it according to customer specification, but we put a little adjustment to make it modern, should in case the person want to change from the pattern he's using to the modern pattern, it will be easy for him. So that is why we are doing this thing for him. So when he wants to change it, it will not be difficult for him. You just do it with a twinkle of an eye. So that is why we have done this for him. The dung flows out from this place and goes into his sockaway when he's ready to do that. But for the now, that is why I'm just bringing this to his notice that there is need to adjust this place. This place will be adjusted. We just did it now. An L shape is here now to let the dungs flow through. While here we are casting here, closing here up down to this place so that you can easily cross, because this place will be covered with netting materials on that flag. So we are doing it here. This is 3,000 capacity on the through road. I don't know if you can see me. This is 3,000 capacity on a two road, and this adjustment, I'm doing it for the benefit of the client so that he can adjust when the time comes. For the now, he said he wants to be packing the dunks himself, but I know with time it might be challenging for him because this is the modern way of doing it. So if you want to change to the modern way, it will be very easy. You can easily just allow it to, you can now easily put your pulley here. Should in case you want to change it automatically, but it's not doing that now, you don't need to put your pulley here that will pull the manure scraper down here. But for now that you're not using it, you can easily the dungs when they come, you can still pack them. But when the time comes, you just put your pulley here that'll be doing the job for you. So we are going to do it here. We are going to do it in the other side. We are going to do it in the other side. Here we are going to do same thing here for the pit. We are going to do that is the new adjustment we are doing on this place. That is number one. Number two is we are reporting also the pillars.
The beam.
Sorry, I beg your pardon, the beams. Before that, the pillars. All these pillars now has been done. The job progression was on the German floor. I don't know, just are you seeing me? The German floor. Let me show you the German floor. You can see the German floor has been done. We've done on 1, 2, and 3 rows. We've done the German floor. You can see them. Take a view of it and see. Hope it's beautiful. Hope you love it. So this is your job and we want it perfect. That is why I'm here to ensure that it's perfect. You can see it's done now. Then we are flooring this place in a sloping form, and they've started there. And they're doing it down here. But if I don't do this tomorrow, it might be a little bit challenging. That is why I am putting in the modern part in here so that it will be easy for you for next time's sake. So that is why we are doing that adjustment here. Then secondly, on these pillars, on the normals when we are doing the pillars, if I said it would be nice if we do the beams round it to tie it, but it will be a little bit expensive. That is why we are leaving that. We are using what plate, which is what 2 by 6. to tie this whole work round before the roof is done. That is a perfect one. But now I contracted the carpenter. He said there'll be need for us to do, in fact, there'll be need for us to do this beam, at least for just this center one, to hold the building together, so that when they are bringing in the wood, the center can be the base to hold the wood they are using to do the roofing. So we are going to use beam. We are going to do a beam here now from this place to this place to hold the middle of the work. This job here, I don't know if you can see me. I mean, we are putting a beam from one pillar to another, just on the center wall, to hold this thing firm, and also to support the roofing that they want to roof. So there will be need of using at least one beam. But if there was money, we would have done all the beam round. But for to cut down cost, we are doing beam for the center pillars. Then we'll use work plates all around this place. All this place we use work plates to hold the pillars together, using this flip up here that they put here to hold it together. So that is what we want to do. After that, what again? Then the sand we're using has gone down. There is need to replace it, but I will call you on the phone. That's not a good one. But what we are talking about now is I'm mentioning this beam because it's necessary for us to fix it in, and the adjustment we are going to do here to make your work perfect. So that is the work progression of the site. We are still working. You can see people missing the cement there. Don't know if you can picture them.
That's good.
Okay, let's just go there. You can see how, let you use the opportunity to see the work we've done. You can see the length of this place. So if you are going through here to pick your eggs, there is a walkway here. If you are going here, there's a walkway here. So you can see how the work is going. There's a progression of the work. Then look at the floor pattern that you are doing. As I was explaining before, you can see the sloping nature of the work. From there, it is flopping down. If you can't even see, you will see, okay, in that place now we have like half pillar, a half block there. As it's coming to this side, you are seeing one block. It's going down to this side, the pillars are going down. So these are the job progressions. That's the missings of the stuff, the sand, the cement, the granite that we're using to do this job here. So that is what we are doing today. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Should in case you are popping into our YouTube channel, we are into farm setup generally. We build farm for people. We do anything that has to do with farm. You want us to set up a farm for you, irrespective of your location. We'll do your farm for you, and you don't really need that. You don't. There's no. It's not compulsory that you must be there with us. As we are doing your job, we'll be giving you daily reports of the job. This is what we are doing. This is the work progression, and you'll be on the same page with us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our video, you like our reporting. You want to know more about us, you can visit us on our website www.chrisfarmnigeria.com. You want to give us a call, you can call us. We are 24 hours online on WhatsApp. Our number again is 080 36 92 57 18. If you are not in Nigeria, remember to put our country code +23480 36 92 57 18. And always know that your satisfaction is our optimum desire. Even as you subscribe to our YouTube channel, giving us a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and do have a blessed day.
Kí lẹ ló ṣe yín?